Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the Members Mark tomato sauce. And I just got really happy saying that because I love anything with tomatoes, but just want to show you guys what the can looks like. And then down here it just says the net weight is 15 ounces, 425 grams, if you guys can see this. And then just turning this around and just the nutrition facts. So it just says about 7 servings per container. Calories are 25, which is good. Total fat 0. Carbohydrates 6. And it has all this good stuff. And then tells you the ingredients. And this is really important, guys. I feel like people usually don't pay attention to this, but it just says to maintain product quality after opening, transfer any unused portion to a covered glass or plastic container and refrigerate. And do not leave your food out because that is how you can get food poisoning, and that is just my PSA announcement. But it just has their quality 100% guaranteed thing on the back. And yeah. So just getting started into how I came about tomato sauce and then just getting into the brand. But I just want to speak about the brand first. Guys, I'm such a big Members Mark fan. Like, all my cans in my house say Members Mark. I love Members Mark. It's a very inexpensive brand. And I've said this like 1,000 million times over and over again. To people that know me probably get annoyed by me. But I just feel as if you are literally on a budget or you're really trying to like cut back and stuff like that, this is just like one of those brands that you really like want to do that with, just because like it's very inexpensive. Like I keep saying a million times over and over again, you guys are probably going to get annoyed, and especially being young, and this is for every young person or everybody who's just trying to conserve on money. You don't have like $1 million to spend on groceries and stuff like that. But I've in the recent years, and I just started learning how to cook 2 years ago, I became like such a big fanatic about cooking. I try to cook every night. I really try my hardest not to eat out, even though sometimes it's hard. Yeah, it's just such a good brand, and just cooking is one of those things that I've got into, and just finding affordable things to cook with is just a big aspect of just young adult life and college life and all of that. So I definitely suggest Members Mark. But getting into tomato sauce, growing up I actually did not like tomatoes as much as I like them now. I remember my mom would always make spaghetti and I would throw up because I just did not like it, and I still really don't like spaghetti like that just because of the beef. I'm not a beef person. But spaghetti was just one of those things that I was like, no. And it just made me hate tomato sauce. And you guys know those, and I realized that maybe it wasn't the tomato sauce that I hated. Maybe it was just the whole beef part of it. And just it all being together. So that's what I had to realize when it came to this product, when it came to tomato sauce. And so just getting acquainted with like the different things that you could use with tomato sauce when I got older, it kind of made me happy. So one of my favorite things to make is lasagna. I love lasagna, and it was just one of those things for me that like I was just like, okay, like this is the real test. Like, am I really gonna like tomato sauce or am I not? And it turns out that I actually really enjoy tomato sauce. I just think it was, like I keep saying, the beef aspect of the spaghetti that I hated. But yeah, guys, that's my story about tomato sauce. I super love it. I actually eat it with like probably 75% of my meals. You can use tomato sauce to make pasta, lasagna, spaghetti, but to each its own. And chicken parmesan. Like, tomato sauce is such like an endless like ingredient to me. Like, it's very versatile. Something that I do is I use tomato sauce to make tomato soup, and I am a child at heart, and grilled cheese and tomato soup, that's like my favorite meal. Nothing beats that for me. So and you guys can go look up super good tomato soup recipes, and tomato sauce can be the base of it, and it tastes really good. And yeah, it's like one of my favorite things to eat, and it's just such a quick and easy meal. Just going back to this brand and this product, I just want to show you guys the top of this can. And bam, my favorite part about this brand is because they tend to have a lot of these type of can tops. But I think the most annoying thing when cooking is when you literally have to use a can opener. And this is maybe just me talking, but guys, I suck at using can openers. The can always gets stuck in the food. I never pull it out, and I like have not the best can opener. So literally when I'm going around, I have to like go press really hard on it, and it's just a lot of work. And I literally just love these open tab cans. I think they honestly work so good. I definitely would suggest this for anybody who is just into like cooking a lot, but like you just, it's like very, and I love cooking with my younger siblings, and I just don't like seeing them use can openers. I've actually got cut with a can opener before, so I just prefer these tops. These are more safe to me, and these are just a better take on cooking. So yeah, but I have another spiel, but like I said before, guys, this is just the Members Mark tomato sauce. I super enjoy it. It's so good. I love their brand. I love tomato sauce. One of my favorite products to use to cook, and I definitely suggest this. It's inexpensive, and yeah.